are here stand for Nigerians. We want democracy. We want democracy. We don't want anybody to come and using ADC to destroy democracy. ADC for all Nigerians. Anybody want to join? Anybody appear here is our authentic. We are here with the all Nigerian leaders. I stand before you today. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, furthermore, deliberately manipulating of signature demonstrated a calculated attempt to legitimate and otherwise unlawful transfer of power which necessitates urgent scrutiny and accountability. It is imperative for the ADC and relevant authorities to address this breach of decisively, restoring faith in the political process and assure that such transgression do not recur. Upholding the principle of democracy and accountability is essential for the head of any democracy, and it is the responsibility of all stakeholders to safeguard their value against such agreement violations.
Who resigned without notice. There was no meeting. This new national chairman that you are seeing behind me was the only party national executive committee members who did not resign. Though they are forging everything around and say he resigned, but I'm aware he did not resign. And we expected INEC to have done the honorable thing by putting his name as the authentic national chairman, nothing more. All these hula baloo making noise, saying that somebody is there, that the status quo antebellum means when the coalition people came. No, no, no. We have constitution that we all swore to uphold in Article 9(4).
As I address today, I argue INEC to place my name on the portal, requiring by the status quo antebellum order of the Court of Appeal. This is not just a personal request; it is a plea for the justice, accountability, and adhere to the rules of law, the order and stability within the ADC will rise above the tyranny.